Hey y'all, it's your girl Natural Mystique here, back at it again with another video. So today's review is this beautiful, I guess it's like a wet and wavy, let me see, what is it called? Or excuse me, spiral curl, that's the name of it. Wig that I made myself from hair from the beauty supply store. If you're interested in seeing what hair this is, stay tuned. Keep watching. The hair that I'm wearing today is from a unit that I made. The hair that I bought was from the beauty supply store, my local beauty supply store. Currently we're in a quarantine, so obviously this was pre-quarantine, like pre-quarantine, like 2019. I bought this hair, I think October 2019 for a wedding I was going to attend. I got it installed as a sew-in, but a reverse bob, so I had the longer pieces in the front and the front piece, the shorter pieces in the back. The lengths I'm wearing is a 12-inch closure, 12-inch bundle, 14 and 16, I believe. This is what the name of the hair is. It's Azore. I'll also link it below. It's by bellatiquehair.com, so I'll also link that below. It's 100% virgin Brazilian Remy. So that means that it's been processed. Like, it's human hair, but it's been processed to get these curls. So I wet my hair, put leave-in conditioner in it, combed it with my Denman brush, and then voila, I let it dry. Like I said, the unit is a wig that I made. I bleached the knots. The parting came out okay. I plucked it. I also have this wig sewn down. I've been wearing it since last week. I've been wearing it to work. So this is like the first day like I've actually slayed it, and I think I did a pretty good job. I have it sewed down. So I have an anchor braid around the perimeter of my head and just straight backs in the rest. And I take it and I put the wig down and then I sew it. Just because I've told y'all before, I work in the restaurant industry and ain't nobody got time for my wig to be slipping off while I'm on the line or dealing with a guest. Like, nobody has time for that. That would be embarrassing. So that's why I secure it down. I'm not a fan of just gluing it down or taping it down. For me, that does not work for my lifestyle. So like I said, I have a perimeter braid right here and I sewed it onto my head. I also had to add just a little, the lace was like not perfect. The fit of this wig was not perfect. So I did add some got-to-be like right at the front to get that seamless blend. And you can kind of see right here, like if as close as I am, you can see the lace. But like I said, I bleached the closure and like bleached the knots, and they came out perfect. I think I did add a little bit of my foundation just to give it that seamless look. And these are my baby hairs. As you guys know, I'm not a big fan of the baby hair, so you won't really see me like with swoops. I did, however, think it looked better with this look with some type of hair right there, so that's why I brushed it. But this is my first time making a wig, so like this and installing it. So I think I did a pretty good job for, my first time. It's flat. I really do like this hair. What I like about it is, of course, with any curly hair, as the days go on, like after you wash it and you define it, the hair becomes bigger and bigger. I'm a fan of big hair. I always have been, even though my face is not always made for super big hair. Sometimes I like a poodle, but not this time. So it's easy to go, easy to manage for me. Yes, of course, any curly hair is maintenance. However, it's not unbearable. Like, it's easy. Get out, wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, wash your face, wet your hair, and detangle it. Boom, you out the door. Of course, with this hair, with any curly hair, there's shedding. Just like with my natural curly hair, well, I should say natural kinky hair, I get shedding. I get a little bit of tangling in the nape of the neck. But like I said, I've had this hair since October, and I love it. I want to try next, since like I said, I've had it for so long. I want to try dyeing it. I have like that scissor ginger color. Y'all know what, or is it Saza? Y'all know what I'm talking about. That orange ginger color. I want to try to dye it that color and see how it comes out. So let your girl know what you think, or if you have any suggestions on videos, hair videos that I should do, or wigs that I should do that you would like me to recreate, please drop them down below. And please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Let your girl know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.